Hi, welcome to this video. To use one WhatsApp account on two phones, link your second device using the built-in companion mode. You don't need workarounds. You can link up to 4 devices per account. So install WhatsApp on your second phone and open it. Tap agree and continue. When asked for a phone number, tap the 3 dots, top right for Android or settings on iOS, and select link a device. A QR code will appear. Now I'm going to open my camera on my second phone here to show you how you can link it. So go ahead to your profile, hit linked devices, press link a device, confirm via facial recognition, and just put the QR code next to your second phone, right? And automatically they will move all your chats there. Basically, that's it. You can log in, same as your main phone without logging out from your main phone. So basically that's it. Consider liking this video, subscribing, and note your primary phone must remain logged in and active and should connect to the internet at least once every 14 days to prevent the second device from disconnecting. Till next time.